In a dusty attic, Sam found an ancient golden Ankh. It's cursed, warned his friend, Lucy. Sam laughed. What's it gonna do, make me sneeze? That night, Sam dreamt of a mummy demanding its Ankh back. Return it or face eternal hiccups. It boomed. Sam woke up, hiccuping uncontrollably. He rushed to Lucy, who chuckled. Told you. Desperate, Sam returned the Ankh to the attic. The hiccups stopped. See? Lucy grinned. Curses aren't just myths. Sam sighed. Next time I'll stick to finding old socks. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.